Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a community post to your YouTube channel by using your mobile phone. So in order to do this, first I'll head on to the YouTube app. Once that's loaded, you can click on the profile icon right in the top, and now you can head on to your channel. The first option which is here, your channel, you have to click on it. Now you have to swipe to the right till you see this community tab. Once you're in the community tab, you will have this option to share an image or image to start a caption test. You have to click on it, and now you can add a community post. So maybe I'll say hey there, and I'll post it. You can also add polls and anything you like. And once you are done, you can click on this post icon. You can click on post, and as you can see, the community post is now added, published. So that's how you can easily add a community post to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in another exciting video.